Hello, friends. Tell me one thing. Have you ever felt stuck in your English learning journey? Like you are trying but not improving? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. But remember, nothing is impossible. So, in this video, we will talk about why you feel stuck in learning English, two main and big reasons why you should not be afraid of making mistakes, 2 easy tips to stay motivated, and at the end of this video, I'll give you the meanings of some important words from this video with Hindi meanings and their synonyms. So let's begin. The first reason is procrastination. Procrastination means we say, I'll practice tomorrow, I'll speak English next week, I'll study later, but later never comes. Let me tell you a short story about a rat. There was a hungry rat. He saw a basket full of corn, but the basket was closed. The smart rat found a small knife. He cut a hole and entered in the basket. He ate a lot of corn. His stomach became big. Now he wanted to come out, but he couldn't. He left the knife outside and now he was too fat. A rabbit came. The rat said, "Please help me." The rabbit said, "Don't worry, sleep now. In the morning, your tummy will be small again." Next morning, he was thin. But he saw corn again and said, "Let me eat some corn." And he ate and ate and ate too much. Now a cat was walking nearby. He smelled the rat. The cat pulled the rat out of the basket and ate him. What's the lesson? The rat kept saying, "I will leave tomorrow and I'll stop tomorrow," but tomorrow never came, so he died. That's procrastination. So don't wait, don't say tomorrow, start today. Even 10 minutes is enough. Second reason, living in the past. Another reason people feel stuck in they live in the past. They keep thinking about old failures, old memories, bad experiences, or mistakes. They say things like, "I failed before, I started too late, I'm not going to do this because I'm not good enough." Guys, please let me tell you this, when you live in the past, you cannot move forward. You forget your future dreams. You stop thinking about your goals. It's like trying to walk forward while looking backward. Is this possible? No, you will fall. And many people don't try again because they are afraid they will fail again. They are afraid to making mistakes. But the truth is, your past does not control your future. You can always start again. And don't worry about mistakes. So, here is my next point. What are the mistakes? Don't worry about your mistakes. Mistakes are not bad, they are part of learning. Think of a baby learning to walk. They fall many times, but they never give up. One day they walk freely. In the same way, you can learn English. Don't wait to be perfect. Just speak, try, practice. Even if you make mistake, that's okay because we will learn something from our mistakes. It is a part of our learning journey, so don't be afraid of mistakes. Now next point is practice every day. Practice a little will every day. Read, listen, speak, or write. Do something daily, but do. Small steps every day bring big results. Now, tips to stay strong and motivated. Tip number one, think about your why. Means ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for a job, for travel, for confidence? Keep your why in your heart. It will give you the power. The second tip is talk to yourself with kindness. Don't say, "I'm bad at English." Say, "I'm learning English." and you are not failing, you are growing. Now, let's practice some vocabulary from the video. Our first word is stuck. Stuck means फंसा हुआ, means trapped. Second is procrastination. It means टाल मटोल करना, means delay, postpone. Third is basket. Basket means टोकरा, container, or we can say bin. Next is clever. Clever means chatur, or we can say chalak, smart, intelligent. Next is escape. Escape means भागना और बच निकलना, run away, get out. Next is experience, means अनुभव करना, memory और event. Next is overthinking. Overthinking मतलब ज़्यादा सोचना, worrying too much. Next is mistake. Mistakes means गलती, error, fault. Next is motivation. Motivation means प्रेरणा, inspiration. Next is journey. Journey means yatra, or in English we can say path or progress. So my friend, you are not behind. You are learning. You are trying. That's a big step. Forget the past. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start now. One small step today. Make a big difference. Because your English journey is always your confidence journey, and I believe in you. So comment below, have you ever felt stuck in your English learning journey? And subscribe for simple and helpful videos for Learn English. And also I'm thinking about to create a WhatsApp group where we can learn and practice English together. What do you think? Should I go for it or not? Please let me know in the comment box if you really want to learn English. So I'll make it that group as soon as possible.